Hello, this will be a quick explanation of what you will get in the standard video packages of 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and 120 seconds long. The standard packages are standardized in the fact that the same shots will be used in the same order, giving you a consistent product. Your first shot will be a rising up shot. Your next shot will be a rotation around your property, followed by a driving towards your property shot. For your 60-second video, you'll receive all those shots. Once again, the rising up, the rotation around, the driving toward shot. We will also include a side slide, that is moving left to right, right to left, and then a backing away shot. The 90-second and 2-minute long videos are primarily used when you have a lot of text information to convey on screen. It takes a while for people to read text on screen, so we want to keep it as short and as pithy as possible. Included in all of our packages are your logo at the beginning, text graphics throughout the video, and a contact page at the end, as well as music. Thank you very much.